Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing fire alarm test number 54, and the alarm that we're going to be testing for today is a Wheelock NS horn strobe, and the full model number is Wheelock NS-24 MCW. And let's review this device, shall we? As you can see, you got your strobe up here, and this is your horn, and you also got fire lettering on the sides, which is pretty unique for a Wheelock device. And you have these ridges that kind of circle around the horn a little bit. And here's your candela selection. Let me zoom in on that. Right now I have it set for 75 candela, but if I turn it around and select the candela setting, as you can see, you can select the candela. It's pretty easy, but we're going to leave it at 75. And let's open this alarm up and see what we got. And let's take a look at the guts of this alarm. As you can see, here's the horn piezo, here's the whole body of the alarm, and right here we have your jumpers. One of the jumpers selects the code 3 or continuous, which is the one on the right, and the jumper on the left selects the volume. So this can be syncable for Wheelock Sync no matter what code you put it on or what volume you select. Okay, let's put this back together. Alright, as you can see, it is 2-wire. I already have it wired up. And here is the model number, NS-24 MCW. And this thing has 75 decibels. That's how loud this thing is. This thing is 75 decibels, which is pretty loud for a fire alarm. So that's pretty unique. And that's basically how this alarm is. It's only 75 decibels. And now let's plug the 24-volt DC power supply into the wall, and let's go ahead and set this thing off. But there's going to be lights out part of the test too, because I have the lamp above shining on this alarm. So anyways, let's go ahead and test it. Are you guys ready? In 3, 2, 1. I guess we could shut that off. As you can see, this thing is not even that loud, even though it is pretty loud. It's loud enough to get your attention, even though it's 75 decibels. So anyways, that's how loud this thing is. It almost sounds like a Spectre Alert Classic almost, except it's a little bit lower pitched. So anyways, let's go on to the pull station part of the test. And for the pull station part of the test, we're going to be using my Silent Night PSDA, which is the Silent Night version of the BG12L. And I've seen this with the Wheelock NS before, and also it's pretty much a life alarm combo, so I'm just doing this for this demonstration. So anyways, and I'm hoping that that I would get the point across, and also let me find my Silent key. Here it is, so I can go ahead and reset the pull station when it's finished. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and pull the pull station. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Yep, that's basically how the pull station works. But when you wire up the alarm, you wire the alarm and pull station in a series, so that way the switch can make contact to make the alarm go off. This is basically a demo setup without a panel, and basically I'm just trying to make it more interesting as best I can. So anyways, let's go ahead and give it one more pull and see what happens. So let's pull it one more time, and here we go. 3, 2, 1. Push in, pull down. Gotta reset this because this is quite loud. That is quite loud, not gonna lie, even though it's on high volume, but 75 decibels, not too bad, but I'm still wearing hearing protection, but it's definitely not as loud as a Spectral or Advance in some kind. So, and it has a little bit of a lower pitch than the Wheelock AS. And anyways, that's it for right now. Well, guys, that was fire alarm test number 54. I hope you liked it. So, the fire alarm test number 55 will be coming up next, but hopefully sometime soon. But some things may not come right away, but I'm hoping I can bring some more stuff to the table as best as I can. So anyways, I know it's been 7 months since I made fire alarm test number 53, but this is the 54th test, and I promise to make more of this series, and this series has been going on for almost 8 years, and I'm very thankful that I started this series back in 2016 all the way up to 2024. So that is pretty much 8 years in total. So this is fire alarm test number 54. I hope you liked it, and thank you all so much for watching, and that'll be it. Thank you.